a wood, another wood, and maybe this thing. So I think this is pretty cool result for my tiny Excalibur. That's supposed to be a butter knife, but I don't know, it's probably just a decorative knife. Not children safe, so just be aware of that, because it's very sharp on this point, but it's looking quite good. I made a very interesting decision to put maple curls on top of it, like a real handle. This is supposed to be round, but I kind of give up on this part. But I think I kind of like overall the rustic shape with the cross guard. It's a little bit weird, not symmetric, but I think I declare complete success. This prototype. The whole point for this project, to figure out the way to use a spoke shape. And I'm using this chisel without the handle just because I can. Now I can shape this part. Okay, I have to a little bit increase here. Not perfect, but good enough. Good idea. Okay, so that's our shavings. Okay, something like this. So this is the finished product. Really quite happy. Quite sharp. Now let's fight some butter. Before you go, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. I really appreciate that, and it will help to grow my channel. And hopefully I can slice the butter as well. Now I need to clean it up.